How to find and clear out the Bluetooth app cache or the stored data of your Bluetooth settings. And this is for the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro phone or 14 with HyperOS 2 Android 15. When you're ready to do this, use the quick access, and with HyperOS 2, you're going to look for the settings toggle, which is this one here. Once you're in this section here, you are going to go down to where it says apps, right here, apps. Once in the apps section here, you will look for Bluetooth, which is this one right here in particular. If you just so happen to not see this one here, you might want to show all apps or all system settings. So to do this, you'll see at the top right here, the three dots, tap on that one time, and go to where it says show all apps, this one right here. And now you'll notice there is way more than usual. And if you feel lost and there's too much to go through, just go into where it says Bluetooth. So you're only doing this if you don't see the Bluetooth app in the first place. So once in this section here, type in the words Bluetooth. Make sure you spell that right. Okay, and then you're gonna see the different suggestions here. And you wanna go to the very first one with this icon here. So once you go there, you'll see this here. And from here now, you can either go down and you're gonna see this right here, clear data. When you tap on that, this is gonna pop up. And if you just simply wanna clear the cache out, you can do this. This is kind of gonna refresh your Bluetooth settings for you. However, if you wanna clear out everything that was once connected to it via Bluetooth, you go with clear data and it's gonna delete it all for you. Now, this does not delete your Bluetooth settings. It's still gonna be there, so you're perfectly okay and good to go and no worries, all right? So that's basically it for this guide here. Like and sub.